Now we are going to start the new problem. Determine the D and L of 70 HP, 415 volt 3 phase 50 Hz star connected 6-pole induction motor for which electric loading 30,000 ampere, conductor per meter and average flux density 0.51 Weber per meter square, efficiency 90%, power factor 0.91. Assume tau is equal to L, winding factor 0.9. Estimate the number of stator conductors required for winding in which conductors are connected in parallel path. Choose the suitable number of conductor per slot so that slot loading doesn't exceed 750 ampere conductor. So here condition is parallel path is given and second one is given slot loading doesn't exceed the 750. Parallel path means you have to take the 2, number is 2. So conductor current is 2. Now solution, see already D and L we can easily solve. So many problems we have solved for D and L. So D is equal to 0.361 we got it meter. L is equal to 0.19 meter. Now we have to find out the stator slots. The formula for stator slot is Q into phase into number of poles. So assume Q is equal to 2, 3, 4 and 5. So if Q is equal to 2, SS is equal to 2 into number of phases into number of poles, that is given. So for Q is equal to SS is equal to 36. For Q is equal to 3, SS is equal to 54. For Q is equal to 4, SS is equal to 72. For Q is equal to 5, SS is equal to 90. We got it. Now by this we have to find out the slot pitch YSS. YSS formula we are knowing pi d by SS. So we have to substitute in this SS. So YSS is equal to pi d upon SS. SS we have to substitute 36. We got 31.5 mm. Then SS we have to substitute 54. We got YSS is equal to 21.002 mm. Then YSS SS substitute 72. YSS we got 15.75 mm. Now YSS is equal for 90. We got 12.60 mm. Now you are knowing the condition also. The YSS should be between 15 to 21. So 15 to 21 is 15.75 and 21.002 is the dimensions. So for this the SS 54 and 72. So stator slots are 54 and 72. The possible stator slots are 54 and 72. Now we have to find out TS. We are knowing the formula for TS, E upon 4.44 F phi kW. For this phi we are not knowing the flux phi. We have to calculate flux phi formula pi dl bm upon p. So substitute this, then we will get flux phi 18.31 into 10 raised to minus 3 Webers. Now TS we can substitute this flux phi, we will get TS. TS we got 113.51, so we got 114. Now total number of conductors Z is equal to ZSS into SS. So ZSS 6 TS upon SS. So 6 into 114 upon 54. Now SS is 54. So Z we got it 12.66. So approximate we have taken 12 and SS 54. So we got 648. Now for 54 slot and for 72 slots we have to find out the slot loading. Slot loading is equal to ZSS into IZ. That is nothing but 2 parallel path 2 we have to substitute. So ZSS we got 15.33. Similarly here for 72 slots we have to find out the IZ is nothing but 2. ZSS is equal to 11.5. Same formula we have to apply here. Now IPH Q upon V. We are knowing how to find out Q. Q formula is KW upon efficiency cos phi. or if it is HP into 0.746 upon n cos phi, n is efficiency. So Q we have calculated, divided by V, so it is star connected, divided by √3. So we got IPS is 88.7 milliampere. Similarly here also IPH we got it 88.7 milliampere. Now IZ is nothing but IPH upon 2 parallel path, so we got 44.35 milliampere, and here also IZ is nothing but IPH upon 2 44.35 milliampere. Now slots per conductor IZ into ZSS. IZ we have calculated here and ZSS we got it already. So we got 679.8 AC. Here also same way we have done IZ into ZSS for 72 slots. So we got 510 AC. So condition is that our loading should not exceed 750 ampere. So here 679.8 and 510 AC. So our loading is not exceed than 750 ampere.